Second question, x square into cos x square. See, sometimes in trigonometric function we do not have angle linear. This is x square, so we cannot integrate it directly as it is x square. So we need to use here previous methods, that is we can use here substitution method. If we write it x into x square, that is x cube, and this is cos x square. For substitution method we need its derivative with it always. So now x square derivative is 2x, 2 hardly matters, so x square derivative is x we have, so we can put x square is equal to t, so that 2x dx is dt, that is x dx will be dt upon 2. So we got x dx is dt upon 2, 2 is constant, and x square is t, and this is cos t. Now you can apply here u into v. This will be your first function and this will be your second function, because algebraic and trigonometric are according to Eilert. Algebraic will come first. So I suppose all of you know by parts now. That is first function as it is, integral of second function minus derivative of first, then integral of second, and in multiplication integration once again. So it is 1 upon 2 t sin t, and for sin t minus cos t, so minus minus plus c, that is integrations are over now. Just substitute the value of t here. T is your x square, so x square into sin x square plus cos x square plus c, right? Then we have x square into sin square x. Now we do not have angle linear, but sin square we cannot integrate directly, as we did in very first exercise. How to integrate sin square x is change it into a formula in which power will be removed, that is 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So now just separate it. 1 is x square upon 2 and 1 will be x square into cos 2x upon 2. See, 1 is x square into 1 upon 2, so x square upon 2, and 1 is x square into cos 2x upon 2, x square into cos 2x upon 2. So this we can integrate directly. For this you need to apply u into v, that is first into second, algebraic into trigonometric. So first function as it is, integral of second minus first function derivative, integral of second, and then in multiplication its integration once. Again first into second, because u into v, if you need to integrate this, u into v you have to apply, you cannot change the methods here, right? So minus 1 by 2 x square into sin 2x upon 2, this is simple, and this is u into v you have to apply, that is x as it is, integral of sin 2x is minus cos 2x upon 2 minus x1 for sin 2x minus cos 2x upon 2, and in multiplication its integration. Now we have a single function, we can integrate it simply. So open the brackets also together, that is minus 1 upon 4 x square sin 2x minus minus plus, and with a minus minus, and it will be 1 upon 4 x cos 2x, and this is again this will be minus negative and 1 negative means it will be positive, and 2 into 2 4, and for cos 2x integral is sin 2x upon 2, and this will be then 4 into 2 8 plus c, and integral of this, integration of x square upon 2 dx, x square upon 2 is 2x upon 2 plus c constant combined we have taken, so we got the result, that is x, integration of x square will be x cube upon 3, so it is x cube upon 6 total, and this will be a total integration. Just write it down.